Folks, most desk setups are built like a mix of separate tools that don't really talk to each other. You've got one device for lighting, another one for sound, maybe something else for atmosphere, and you end up constantly adjusting things manually without even noticing it. It works, but it never feels seamless. I am Daniel, and on this channel, I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they're really like before you buy. Today, we're taking a look at a device that tries to combine all of that into one single piece. This is the Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro with a built-in JBL speaker, and the idea here is not just to give you light or sound, but to create a more unified experience around your setup. Now, the interesting part is that products like this usually sound great in theory, but in real life they either feel unnecessary or just not good enough in one of the areas. So what I want to focus on in this video is not just what it does, but how it actually feels to live with it day to day. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Let's start and see what this device does. Mates, at a basic level, this is a smart table lamp with a built-in Bluetooth speaker, but that description doesn't really capture what makes it different. Inside, you've got a dense LED system that allows for much more detailed lighting effects than a typical RGB lamp, and on top of that, there's a JBL-tuned speaker handling audio. What makes this interesting is not just that these two things exist together, but how they interact. The entire concept of the device is built around atmosphere rather than function. You're not just lighting up your desk or playing music in the background, you're combining both into something that changes how the space feels. And a big part of that comes from the software. Folks, the Govee app gives you a surprising amount of control, not just over color, but over behavior. You can adjust how the light moves, how fast transitions happen, how different segments react, and even create your own effects from scratch. At the same time, it doesn't force you into complexity. If you don't want to dive into customization, you can just pick a preset and it still looks good. But if you do decide to go deeper, there's enough flexibility here to keep you experimenting for a while. Guys, once you actually start using it, that's when the device begins to make more sense. Setup is quick, and after that, everything runs through the app or simple touch controls on the lamp itself, so you're not constantly jumping between different systems. The lighting is probably the first thing you notice. It's smooth, it's bright enough for practical use, and it can shift from something very subtle to something much more dynamic depending on the scene. You can have a calm, warm light for work or relaxation, and then switch to something more animated without it feeling like a completely different device. Then you add music into the mix. And this is where things start to come together. Folks, the lamp reacts to sound in real time, and instead of feeling delayed or random, it actually follows the rhythm in a way that feels natural. That responsiveness is a big part of why it works, because if there was noticeable lag, the whole effect would fall apart. The speaker itself is solid for its size. It's clear, it handles vocals well, and it's loud enough for a room without distortion. Mates, you're not getting deep, heavy bass here, and it's definitely not replacing a dedicated speaker system. But for everyday listening, it fits the purpose of the device really well. What's also nice is that you don't have to rely only on the built-in speaker for the lighting effects. The lamp can react to external audio too, which means it still works even if your main sound is coming from somewhere else in the room. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Thanks! Folks, this device really separates itself from simpler options is in how customizable it is. You're not locked into fixed modes. You can create your own lighting setups, adjust individual segments, and even sketch out patterns if you want to get creative. For some people, that's going to be the main attraction. You can spend time building something that feels unique to your setup, instead of using the same presets everyone else has. For others, it's just nice to know that the option is there, without needing to use it. In everyday use, though, it's less about customization and more about consistency. Guys, during the day, it behaves like a normal lamp. You turn it on, set a comfortable brightness, and it does its job without getting in the way. But in the evening, it shifts into something more ambient. You put on music, and the lighting starts reacting automatically. You're not actively controlling it at that point, it just becomes part of the environment. And that's really where the value shows up, mates. It reduces the need to think about your setup. Instead of adjusting multiple devices, everything happens in one place, and it feels more cohesive as a result. Alright guys, let's wrap this up. The Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro is not trying to be the best lamp or the best speaker individually. It's trying to combine both into something that feels more integrated, and for the most part it actually succeeds at that. If you like having separate tools for everything, this might feel unnecessary. But if you want something that simplifies your setup and adds a bit more atmosphere without extra effort, it starts to make a lot more sense. And honestly, mates, after a bit of time using it, you stop thinking about what it is and just start using it as part of your space. So if that's the experience you're looking to create, this is a solid option to consider. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.